China is one of the world's most populous countries, with a population accounting for 1/5 of the world's total, but with only 7% of the world's land. Though the arable land per capita is only 12.7% of the world level, China has an impressive grain production per capita of 483.5 kilograms and the highest vegetable and fruit production capacity. China's grain supply exceeds the internationally recognized grain security line of 400 kilograms. Even without considering supplementary imports and abundant stocks, China's agricultural production has advanced significantly, allowing locals to have sufficient food. What are the black technologies driving this progress? China's land is vast, but the quality of arable land varies. The Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Affairs classified China's 2,023 million mu of arable land into 10 grades based on factors like soil properties, nutrient levels, and soil health in 2019. Class 1 through 3 arable land, the highest quality level, is mainly located in northeast China and the Yangtze River region, accounting for 31% of the total arable land area. Arable land in grades 7 through 10, which is considered relatively poor in basic land strength, with factors that hinder production and make improvements difficult, accounts for about 22% of the total area. Agriculture traditionally relies on natural factors like land conditions and climate, but modern irrigation and automation technologies have enabled efficient agricultural production and reduced uncertainties caused by land, climate, and human labor. There is a shortage of arable land in China, which presents a challenge for improving the yield and quality of agricultural products. In 2022, there was a total of 1,919 million mu of arable land, 184 million mu of orchards, and 328 million mu of vegetable land. How can we improve agriculture in these limited areas? One solution is to use pipeline cultivation, which allows plants to grow in pipelines and increases consistent food and fruit production on the same land. How is this achieved? Cultivation pipes can be arranged vertically on shelves. For example, an A-shaped cultivation frame can hold 5 to 7 rows of pipes. Different arrangements, such as columns, polyhedron, and curtain walls, can also be used depending on the cultivation frame. Pipeline cultivation saves space and allows for up to 30% more plants to be grown in the same area. As long as the climate is suitable and there is sufficient sunlight, this method can be used to grow a wide variety of plants without a large amount of land. The soilless cultivation pipeline can help overcome continuous cropping challenges in soil-based planting. China is the top producer of tomatoes globally. However, traditional tomato farming can result in continuous cropping obstacles, including reduced fertility, yield, and quality, and high labor intensity due to tasks like soil preparation and picking requiring bending down. Tomatoes are grown in 20-centimeter diameter PVC pipes in a 3D greenhouse, filled with a substrate of peat, perlite, river sand, and rice husk. The nutrient solution is placed under the cultivation frame and delivered to the plants through an inlet pressure pump and liquid inlet pipe. The filter membrane under the cultivation pipe regulates the circulation and concentration of water and fertilizer through the system equipment. The piping system is key to soilless cultivation. In soilless cultivation, complex pipelines must simulate the necessary environment for crop growth and perform functions like irrigation, fertilization, and spraying. Pipes in soilless cultivation must meet high standards. The Lesso PVCU cultivation pipe, for example, is made of high-quality, lead-free PVC and has a one-piece waterproof layer design to improve hygiene, safety, root system air permeability, water accumulation, root rot reduction, and productivity. The smooth inside and outside walls of the pipe are easy to clean and prevent the growth of organic residues and algae. Irrigation, nutrients, and pesticide spraying are important processes in soilless cultivation. PVCU pesticide pipes and PE water supply pipes must meet high standards for corrosion resistance and smoothness to withstand a range of planting conditions and prevent the accumulation of foreign matter in the channels. PVCU pipes in contact with soil are made of lead-free materials to prevent lead pollution of the soil, water, planting substrate, and environment, and protect crop quality. Lesso offers customized agricultural piping system products with various specifications to enable more cultivation options. Crops like apples that need to be planted in the ground and are not suitable for facility cultivation in greenhouses can face challenges due to a lack of access to water sources and sufficient rainfall. The irrigation pipeline designed by Lesso can effectively address this issue. Smooth water supply pipes reduce irrigation water flow resistance and energy consumption, and have excellent flexibility and easy connections for use in various planting structures. Agricultural pipeline systems that integrate cultivation, irrigation, and pesticide spraying functions are a promising future for agricultural production. Each pipeline brings not only technological innovation, but also advances in the modernization, intensification, standardization, and organization of China's agriculture.